Imagine making premium cocktails at the touch of a button. Introducing Bartesian. From the comfort of your own home, you can enjoy quality ingredients and the premium pours you'd expect from a cocktail lounge. Simply insert the capsule, select your strength, and enjoy. No mess, no fuss. Just the perfect cocktail prepared in 3 simple steps. Bartesian.
The new Ninja Mega Kitchen System, featuring professional blending to instantly crush ice and frozen fruit to create restaurant-quality frozen fruit drinks and smoothies. Professional juicing to instantly pulverize and liquefy ice, entire whole fruits and vegetables, making complete nutrient juices that retain all the nutrients and fiber with no tamping and no extra water. Professional power in chef-certified food processing with an 8-cup processing bowl and professional performance in chef-certified dough mixing, making up to 2 pounds of bread dough, pizza and pasta dough, cake and cookie batters in less than 20 seconds. Plus, you'll get all that same professional power and performance in a 16-ounce single-serve cup. It will change the way you eat. It will change the way you live. If you want to look and feel your best, then you must control what goes into your body.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace.
Tahiti frozen concoction maker. With this versatile 3-pitcher setup, it's easy to serve a variety of delicious resort-style drinks. Simply select one of the 6 drink settings and create a tropical oasis in your own backyard. Add your choice of ingredients to the jar and fill the ice reservoir. Then, select the drink you want. It automatically shaves ice, then mixes. Frozen daiquiris, coladas, margaritas, and more. The Tahiti Frozen Concoction Maker makes you shine, with colorful layered cocktails and a variety of different drinks sure to please any crowd. Create your personal paradise with the Margarita